How's it going, everyone? Byron here with Rider's Domain. Today we've got the LS2 Breaker helmet. Now the Breaker is DOT and ECE approved, and the exterior shell is made from LS2's Kinetic Polymer Alloy material. It's available in 3 different shell sizes and has a multi-density EPS liner inside. We've got an extra large example here today, and on our scales it weighs 3 pounds, 14 ounces. Now the Breaker in a solid colorway is going to run you about $160. We have the physics graphic here today, and that's going to start at $170. It's a pretty affordable price for a quality full-face helmet. Some of the features of the Breaker include an optically correct main shield here. It's UV resistant and resistant to fogging as well. And if you want to swap the shield out for something different, LS2 has this mounted up with its quick release base plates on either side. Now you're not necessarily going to need to get a smoke shield for this because it does come with a drop down internal sun shield. It operates by way of this smooth action slider over here on the left side of the helmet. Then inside the Breaker is LS2's Magnatech liner setup. It's got an antibacterial, moisture-wicking material over laser cut foam that's really soft. I mean, some of these areas feel almost like memory foam. And the Magnatech portion of that is kind of neat. Things like this neck roll here and the chin skirt, they have little magnets built in, and they keep everything kind of securely in place. So the different pieces aren't flapping around in the wind. While we have the helmet upside down here, you can also see that LS2 has equipped the Breaker with its quick release retention strap. Now this is DOT approved, just slides in, holds in place, and if you want to undo it, pull this red tab and it comes out nice and easy. I've worn a number of helmets with this particular quick release strap, and I can say it is extremely easy to use when you're wearing gloves. Now coming back to the outside, you do get some ventilation options with the Breaker. There is an open closed chin bar intake vent, as well as an open and closed crown vent. Then when we flip it around here, you'll see a nice big exhaust port underneath the rear spoiler. Another nice thing about the Breaker is that there are a lot of different color options and graphics options, so there's something out there for everyone. Now since this is an extra large, I'm going to go ahead and pop it on and see how it feels. I've got to say, LS2 has come a long way over the years in terms of the quality of their interiors. The fabric on the cheek liners and the foam that LS2 uses is really soft and really comfortable. It provides a nice, tight, secure feeling fit. The drop-down sun shield provides a lot of good coverage, and the main visor here does have a little locking mechanism there as well to keep it in place when you've got it down. I'd have to, take this out on the road and feel whether or not it pulls much in the wind, but on my head just now, it didn't feel too extremely heavy either. Granted, it's not a carbon fiber lid, something like that, but for a sub $200 helmet, this helmet feels pretty good. With that being said, I'd love to hear from you. Have you worn an LS2 helmet lately, or have you worn them over the years? Have you noticed an improvement in the quality like I have? If so, tell me about it in the comments. And if you want to get your hands on a Breaker, go ahead and follow the link in the description to ridersdomain.com. We've got lots of different color and graphic options available there. And if you want to help get the word out about the Breaker helmet, go ahead and share this video on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to Rider's Domain for more product spotlights and motorcycle reviews. And don't forget to subscribe to almost had it.